So the last part, minus 2, 0 is here, negative 2, 0. So what happens is this change to negative 2. So this will be plus over 2. So the distance, between P and negative 2, 0. Everything is the same actually, except for these changes to positive 2. So this whole thing, this will be a plus 10 cosine P, right? So this is 10 plus cosine P as well. Because if this is, so this is what's going on. So this is 5 over 2 cosine P, 5 over 2 cosine P, plus 2 square, and plus 3 sine P square. So plus 3 over 2 sine P square. That's okay. Then what we need to do is actually just change the 10 cosine P out. So that will be this, if you were to do everything the same, with cosine square P plus 10 cosine P plus 25 over 4. Okay, then if you were to bring the 4 out, that will be 16 cosine square P plus 4D cos. Actually, you can skip step. I'm just going to, this is just me showing how, so this will be 4, 40, and 25. And that will be, whoa. Okay, let me see first. Is that correct? 440 plus 25. 440 plus 25. 440 plus 25. So I came wrongly. That will be similar. This is 4 cos P plus 5 over square over 2. Okay. Similarly, this will be 4 cos pi. So it will be half 4 cosine pi plus 5, or negative half 4 cosine pi. Okay, we just need to find out which is actually a positive value. You have a plus or minus because of this square here. Okay, so we just need it to be positive. So just key in calculator and see the graph that it gives you, which is a positive one, right? So this case here, what I'll get is half. Okay, so this case I could get 5 over 2 plus half P. Or it's the same actually. A negative 2, 5 minus 2 cosine pi. 5 over 2 minus 2. Okay, so it's sort of like the same but different. Just need to change this. And this would be plus, right? Okay, so this is 2. Yeah, correct. So I'm just going to graph it. I'll get the positive, which is the blue color one. So the blue color will give me 2 cosine. Actually, it's quite clear, it's this. So reject. As distance is more than or equal to 0. So hence this is just. Okay, so this is how I do this question here proficiently. Now, any question at all, please let us know. Keep practicing and I'll see you in the next question.